Hi guys, I'm so sorry I'm a little late. I've actually been sitting here since 3 p.m. and then I got distracted. Sorry, that's on me. I've just been going through all the liquidity and why is it doing this today? Like that. Why? Why? It does not normally do that to me and it's doing it today and it's annoying me. It's fun. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Did you trade on Friday? Or not really, because it closed early. No, you did. You told me my mic was off. Yeah. How was it? How did it go for you? Oh, thank you. Yeah, it wasn't the best day. Like, it wasn't, like, theoretically, this sounds really weird, but it was better than the Thursday for some reason. Very weird. But, yeah. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't great. It wasn't terrible. Yeah, Thursday was not a great day to be trading. Oh, that's gone. How was your weekend? Can you tell mine? I need to just breathe. Just gotta keep going in and out. That's where I'm at. We're just doing that. Just breathing. I mean, it's not a bad place to start, right? With oxygen. If there's anywhere to start, it would be with oxygen. Stop it. There's one there. Okay. Okay, I was about to say, it's literally standing still. Oh, that is so cool. I've heard that is like the thing to do. I've never ridden one. I've heard if you're not used to it, it can be quite intimidating. I did hear that from like my friend's mother, so she's very interesting. Let's put it that way. So do I believe her? Probably not. You can tell me if that is correct or not, but I've heard it. I don't want to say intimidating because, you know, intimidating for one person could be absolutely nothing to someone else. So that's why, you know, I don't want to be like mean and judge and be like, oh no, she's just full of rubbish, because I'm sure for her it was hectic. There we go. See, you got this. Yeah, like I said, she's just very entertaining. Is this a new thing? Like, have I just never noticed this before? Where it's saying the open, the high, the low. If it's new, cool. Cool. Stop that. Unless it wants to annoy me, then stop. Oh. No. Why? Oh my gosh. I specifically even restarted my flipping Wi-Fi before I came on today because it's been working so well. So I was like, no, it's gonna be good. It better be good. No pressure. Be good or else I will, I don't know, poke you with a stick. I'm not good at threats. What's a good threat? I guess for like a screen it would be to like smash the screen, but I can't do that. That's dumb. I need the screen. So I guess poking with a stick is the alternative. I will be mean to you. That's the best I got. I will call you names. I can't do violence. I'm too nice. Hmm. It's also very, 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 very cold. Ooh. Is it just me? No. Well, I mean, probably. You're not having a heat wave? I heard there's a heat wave. I'm looking for... Nope, I'm looking for a very specific thing, sorry. Aha. Got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. I want to... Ten. What? Okay. There's no. What did I do now? Okay. Keeping this by me. Suggest that I can see the correct price range. What have I done? That's what I did. The biscuit, there we go, 10. And also make that a little bit smaller so it doesn't look so weird. Okay. And 10, 10, 10, 10. Cool! Lucky. I'm so jealous. No, yeah, no, I am pretty damn jealous. It is... I say it's so cold. It's not that cold. I'm just a big baby. Like when it comes to, oh, the weather. Oh. Okay, no. Hear me out, hear me out. To be fair, when my dog starts shivering, you know it is cold, and he has been shivering. So I just have to like tuck him in at night and wrap him in a blankie because I can't get him a jacket. Because why? There we go. Okay, I can't get him a jacket because he keeps eating it. So it's a little bit of a waste to do that. So the alternative is that he then gets tucked in at night like a proper baby. You know, who needs human babies when you have fur baby? Needy fur baby. 2 minutes to go. So, today. So I would actually like your opinion on something. I've been... How do I put this? I've been having this debate all weekend in my mind. Is it better to have one trade with a massive R or a lot of little trades? Okay, wait, let's rephrase this. One massive trade that could potentially be a loss and then screw you in the drawdown. Thank you. I would, but my feet are cold. Actually, my foot's numb. I should actually maybe get a little bit of blood flow going there. Sorry, I'm just stomping my foot. Anyways, what I was saying was, is it better to have one trade with a massive R or a lot of smaller trades with a higher percentage of win rates? I know the bigger R's look more impressive, right? But does that make it better? That's kind of always the thinking behind it. Woohoo, moly. Alrighty then. Hi. Yes, I do. Were you here for my question, by the way? Sorry, I know you're new. I saw you on TikTok. I saw you commented on TikTok. Hi, welcome. I don't know if you heard what I asked earlier. Oh wait. Interesting. Yeah, like I said, I've been having this debate in my head. It's been kind of going back and forth the whole day. So today, I'm gonna do my usual strategies today. However, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of forward testing at the same time. And let's see how it goes. Stop it! Flip. Oh my god, why are we doing this today? Oh, I know why we're doing this today. I forgot that the Wi-Fi people came to the complex today. So the Wi-Fi is having a little mini freak out. Itty bitty little freak out. So that's lots of fun. Ooh. Taken and taken. Cool. Yeah. Hopped into that order block and now bounced back up. Nice. So, sorry. Yes, I'm gonna do forward testing on two... I say two different strategies. They theoretically aren't really two different ones. The difference is the one I'm gonna do at almost half R. I know that sounds bad. I do know. However, I want to test the win rate. And then the other one, I was gonna say 5R, but I think that's pushing it, so probably 3R. 3R is a pretty decent R. In between, I'll stick to my 1-to-1 for today. I was having this debate with my coach on Friday, after the trading session. And yeah, like I said, it's just kind of been sitting in my head today. So let's forward test and see. Yeah, and see what's, oh my gosh, the better option. Ah, there we go. Yeah, smart. I'll do that. So... theoretically. Okay, except it's just going now. Were you long or short for today, by the way? I didn't even ask. I'm so sorry. I'm being so rude. Damn. Sorry, that's just me clicking away. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. I loved that. Huh. Okay, but yes, this is still the 1 minute. Okay. I'm gonna start calling them goblins. I love that. That was amazing. Sorry. So the new strategy has to do with fair value gaps. But I see there's a beautiful fair value gap here on micros. But on ES, it's a bit higher up. Which starts to potentially, I'd say, create issues. It theoretically did what I wanted it to do. Ew. We go. Okay, let's do this. Like, part of me is a little bit nervous today. I don't know why. Maybe it's excited. I think excited is the better word. Not nervous. Excited for the opportunities. Yes. Yes, we'll go with that. I'm excited for the opportunities. It's, yeah, very, very interesting to see. So, theoretically, would have done a short. Would have been here. But, yeah. Okay, no, it is also opening, so it's a bit hectic. Quantity. Stop that. So I'm just figuring things out, don't mind me. Which one? So my normal one, well, definitely wouldn't have worked there. Huh, okay. I'm not exactly giving it a very fair chance to be trying to do it on opening. So I have rather quick strategies because sitting and waiting freaks me out a little bit. So the one strategy I have that tends, being the accurate word, to work rather well is my order block strategy. Like I said, I'm playing it a little bit safe, which is why I'm starting to do a little bit more testing to figure out where I can start progressing, because I've only been trading for a few months, by the way. So now I've gotten a pretty safe strategy. Now it's to start seeing if I can start pushing the limits and make it, I don't want to say less safe, that's not what I'm going for, but more profitable. That's it, more profitable strategy. So number one is my order blocks. I love my order blocks. It tends to work rather well for me. I do thoroughly enjoy my order blocks. The order block strategy is, oh, go away. Not you, my Wi-Fi being dumb. There it is. My order block strategy works. I'm not gonna say all the time because it's trading. You can never guarantee it's gonna work all the time, but it works fairly well. I have been thoroughly enjoying it. The other one is my consolidation. When it starts to consolidate, draw a consolidation block. based off of the trends or the liquidity or order blocks, you kind of can take in, well, not enough, yeah, I guess you could say it's an assumption of if it's going to be long or short, and see when it breaks out if it's going to tag you in. And now this new one has to do with fair value gaps. So I can try to find you a good example while we're waiting for the goblins. The goblins. Let's do goblins. I like goblins. No, mustn't just take too long. Let's go to. And Friday is not the best day to be looking at, right? Because of. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 didn't work there. Did not work. Wait a second. Wait a minute. There we go. Here's one. This is the proper one. It always rebounds and then bounces. I'm trying to find a decent example where I'm not exactly giving it a very fair chance by looking at these days. Thursday and Friday were shocking last week. Let me just double check what's happening. Are you also with prop firms? Yeah. Let me know. Or what do you do? And please, 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 do not think I am an expert. If you see something and you realize, maybe not, go on and tell me. I can take it. I'm a big girl. This is the second time hearing about Top Step, so I'm on Tradeify. I've heard Top Step is really good. Is it? What's your experience with it? Literally someone on Friday. Yeah, someone on Friday said Top Step is actually really, really good. If I'm not mistaken. There we go. If I'm not mistaken, it was one of the first prop firms. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Like I said, I really am here to learn and just experience. There we go, oldest. My funded futures first. For what reasons? Sorry, actually, while you're telling me this, let me make a note. I'm taking this opportunity to learn as much as possible, so that's why you'll just see me tippy tappy typing, because I'm here to learn. Okay. I feel like I'm overcomplicating things in my brain right now, so let me just woosa, and we can go from there. Huh, okay. Yeah, I heard Top Step also has faster payouts, so that's very interesting to hear. Okay, technically bounced into that. Okay, let us see now. I have to just keep breathing. don't know why I'm so nervous today. That's very weird. Is it weird? I guess. It is. It is weird. I don't know if weird is the right word. Nah, yes, it's pretty odd. Oh, it was taken. Never mind. This one. Like, it's not the best one. Oh, fantastic. Okay. Thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate that. How long have you been trading for? See, there was a nice consolidation, but I probably would have assumed it was going for the highs. Not whatever it's doing right now. Oh, there we go. It's pushing down. Okay. I see. I see. Okay. This hair thing's annoying me. Give me 2 seconds to just unclip. That's better. When you have your hair up all day, it's nice to just unwind, I guess. Let it go. let it all out. There's not the greatest momentum going on today, is there? So theoretically... Stop it. Oh, wait, oh my gosh, 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 you fool. No! He's not good. Not bad, but it's not good. Definitely not 5. Oh. Wait. Well, it's definitely in there now, so... Oops. I missed it. I missed. Oh, amazing. So, again, I'm not sure if you heard the question earlier. What then do you think is better? Do you have like almost a half R but consistent wins, or a bigger trade with a greater R for one massive win? This is purely out of curiosity because I was having a debate. Wow, this is not great today. Like, I mean, it's not bad. A little tin, but... Well, that would not have worked. Thank heavens I missed it. Oh, here we go. We do appear to have a little break of structure. Well, lowest low, higher low, higher low, highest high. Okay. Let's see if it continues this way. Or if we are just gonna disappear? Just mark on ES so we know. So I'm actually tending to agree with you. I don't see the point in risking your drawdown and then potentially getting kicked out just to get a massive R. I know, again, that it's very personal. I know some people love to chase those Rs, and you know, all the power to them. Literally every single power to them. But I have, yeah, I have been leaning a little bit more towards the smaller R's, more consistent wins. Like, there's a higher chance. Why would you not go for the higher chance, right? Trading's all about probability. If you have a higher probability, you know... Sorry, I know that's a lot of rambling. Yeah, that is actually very, very accurate. No ways. I missed this. No. The 2 is that one up there. Yeah. Hello, what happened to the data there? Anyways. I do agree. But okay, so hear me out. Again, this is kind of ranting, sorry. You get the ranting today. Okay, so if... Damn it, I didn't see where this one was here. Oh no, that's still high up. That's fine. Oh, this might be risky, let's see. You see my 1-to-1? I'm on the 1 minute even. Like, I want the quick In and out. Oh, just missed the tag in, unfortunately. Right idea. It might still do it. Let's see if it comes back up that way. If it does, it's not a wrong trade. I was actually looking at this. Okay. None of those look nice, so I will leave it for now. I'm so sorry. Can you tell I get distracted? It's another reason I tend to be on the 1 minute. It keeps me a little bit more focused. Yeah, I do my one-to-one. I try being the keyword. I try to find those quick in and outs. So, can I say my logic behind it? It's why I haven't pressed sell, because I'm a little bit nervous. Because it has not been respecting the order blocks today. Oh, flip. So I'm a little bit hesitant. You know, I'm in no rush. I can always sit here and wait and see if it does start to respect the order blocks, because then I can start. If not, then, you know, no big deal. But to see this order block here. Oh, wait, that's a terrible... Was it the 3? The 3. There's these two. Again, they are not great. This one was a very nice little doji over here, but this one was already taken. So it's why I'm... Ooh. It's why I'm second guessing this one quite a bit. However, there's one that's formed here. It's a big one, but it has indeed formed. Let's see what it looks like on the 5. It's not great on the 5. 2. 1. No, back this way, back this way, back this way. I'm not loving it today. I'm not loving this today, but that's exactly it. Yeah. Yes, I do. So let's see, right? Let's see. I marked this order block. Let's see if it taps in and melts. I haven't put the trade in because I'm second guessing, and if you're second guessing, just don't bother. Like, I'll feel like a complete twit if it does now melt nicely. Look at it. So it's kind of respecting it, not a lot though. It's not. Oh, here we go. Just to prove me wrong. Sorry, can you even see properly? I'm so sorry. I've been moving this around like a ninny today. So did and did not respect it. That little bounce. Maybe. Maybe. So to give you an idea, it would have looked like this. It may have been a tiny bit big, but yeah, that's quite a distance. So let's see. That was very close. No, not really. So by now I definitely would have gone break even, just putting it out there. You must be joking. There's the win. Ah! Damn it! Okay, so there we go. There we go. Ta-da! Yeah, I know, it happens. And I was doubting it. If you're gonna doubt it, rather not do it, right? Oh, come back. Check there. Tapped out? Or tapped, yes? Went all the way. Thank you. My greatness, Maya. Can we please just get a grip today? Thank you. Okay, but there we go. There's some proof in the pudding, right? Again, everyone has their own things that they see. So believe me, I have been through some strategies, and some of them, like, someone else saw instantly, and I was like, I see absolutely nothing. I don't see it. But like this order block one, I tend to be finding them, seeing them, however you want to call it, fairly easily. So that's why it's just been working for me. Purely for the fact that my brain sees them and it goes, ah, there it is. For example. Here we go. Again, not the greatest because it hasn't taken liquidity. It's not at the highest point, but... Oh, there is a beautiful one on ES. I'll show you now what it looks like on ES. See, 3 minutes? Yeah, not great on the 3. 5. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh, that's... I was trying to show you that fair value gap one from earlier, and I'm not even showing you the correct flipping thing. Like a numpty. I'm supposed to be on the 2 minute for that one. That's why I was like, I'm struggling. It's because I wasn't looking at the right bloody charts. Honestly, can you tell it's Monday? Proper damn. Look at this. Did you put your sell in? Yeah? I hope you put your soul. Don't sell your soul. Just, please don't sell your soul. Flip. Ah, greatness. So, nice. So I always find my little blocky, my block, yeah. There we go, and I just do 1-to-1 and make it 200. Yeah, there we go, there's my 1-to-1. I'm just gonna create it, in case of that. 7, or as close to 200 as you can get, right? You can't always put exact, but I'm just putting it there for now. Oh, I wanted to look at this. Look at how nice. Oh, it's not that nice, never mind. It was scrunched out, so it looked nice. Let's see how it looks on ES as well. There we go, so it's a better one. It's not great, but it's better. I'll look at the 5 minute. I feel the 5 minute. And that's amazing. I feel like some people are very... There it is. And the 3 minute, there's the order block. On ES, because ES pushes the micros. Sorry, I forgot to ask, do you trade micros? Or what, yeah. What's your preferred poison? Maybe I shouldn't call it that, but you know what I mean. Oh, gosh. Oh, we're climbing. Oh, greatness. Let's see. Hopefully this now works. Also, I would have felt dumb for missing that one and then this one not working. I know it happens. Oh, nice. Yeah. That's exactly right. So purely for the fact that I'm a little bit more new, I don't really want to throw it all in yet until I find, like I said, I have been enjoying the order block strategy. I really have. I'm just trying to see if I can take it to the next step. So after this, oh, okay, let's see. After this, I'm going to try find that strategy on the 2 minutes. Sorry, I have hiccups. And it is very cold. It is very, very, very cold. So I get like, where are you from? That's another thing. I love hearing all about all of this. So I don't know about you. I tend to be quite an introvert, believe it or not. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't guess it with how much I won't shut up right now. But I tend to be quite an introvert. So to meet people on here, and can I tell you the most amazing people I've met so far? And I've only been doing this a few months, but like, yeah, just to see how everyone is. It's so amazing. There we go, US. Someone from, where is she from? You from? I actually don't even know. I'll find it. Give me a second. Kansas. There we go. Yeah. So there's someone from Kansas here. Super cool. I have someone from Holland. Franks. We love Franks. Franks is awesome. Yeah. So you just meet all these new and exciting people. And like I said, my poor little introvert self, I just find it so cool. And everyone has their different strategies, as you are well aware. And everyone tries to help. And I just love it. Because I have watched some other channels where, how do I put this? Damn, people are judgy. Oh my gosh. I'm still in Combine. Yes, so I'm not funded yet. So I'm still in the challenge. Sorry, I'm slowly getting used to all the lingo. So like I said, you'll see me slowly start like tippy typing, because then I go just make sure I completely know exactly. Because oh my gosh, I must say, for me anyways, I don't know if you can relate when you started trading. I tend to find the lingo, wow, this is shocking today. Anyways, I tend to find the lingo, or the jargon rather, let's be fancy, the jargon, quite intimidating. Because everyone starts throwing around all of these like abbreviations or these words, and you're just like, oh my gosh. Like I just learned what a candle was beginning of this year. So when people throw around these words, I'm like, okay, yes, no, what, maybe. I don't know if you found it intimidating when you started. If you didn't, well done. Well done. Wow, this is not... Literally, so... I think it's the thing that confuses my brain, because I know it as one way. And then someone will come with a different word, but saying the exact same thing. Or asking the exact same thing, and I'm like, no, yes, what? That is the thing that tends to freak me out. Well, I say freak me out. You know, it doesn't freak me out. I find it interesting. But, you know, in the moment when people ask you questions and you're like, yes. Very good question. Oh my great giddy aunt. Where did all the momentum go? You cannot tell me it's lunchtime already. Not a chance. It hasn't even been open for an hour yet. Here's more liquidity. What's happening? There we go. Really? You think? You think it's gonna go up? No, it's just chinchillin'. It's literally chilling like a chinchilla right now. Ridiculous. So the other one of my strategies, except again, I prefer momentum. I love momentum. So here's a pretty decent example here of my consolidation. Oh, nice. Amazing. Okay, if you hear people talking, I think they are here to sort out why or fiber. I don't know. I'm sorry if you hear random noises. It's not me. Anywho, as I was saying, so my second strategy, my consolidation strategy, I need at least 3 candles of consolidation. So let's take these 3, for example. I would have probably drawn, I probably would have kept it like that. And then, yeah, you kind of decide on how the market looks. If you're going to be going for bullish or bearish. I can draw this. Yeah, I won't mess with anything. Let me draw this out. So let's say I was like, yeah, okay, we're gonna go short. Would have drawn it there and go away. Anyway, would have drawn it there and gone 1-1. Moved it to midway for when it broke out. There we go. So that when it broke out, you can see that one would have been such a beautiful win. How good. That would have been straight in and straight out. That would have been such a nice win. I was busy talking. I was talking rubbish. I missed it. It. So like I said, I prefer the quick trade. Someone said that, again, they said what professionals tend to do is they actually tend to have 1 to 0.5 R. And then they just get consistent 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 because you have a higher risk, but it's in and out quickly. Yeah, exactly. Oh man. Well, actually, let me not speak just yet. Okay, well, 10s. It seems to be melting on ES. This is annoying me today. It's never done this. Why is it doing this now? That. Anyways, it's fine. Okay, yeah, we're not really out of this yet. We have a teeny tiny bit of momentum on ES. No, wait, yes, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, no. Damn. Ridiculous. Yeah. Why are we going so slow today? I thought today would have been like pumping after the 4th of July. Apparently not. I was wrong. I think the weird thing for me was on Friday, it actually wasn't a bad day. I thought the markets would have been dead. Dead on Friday. They were not. Thursday was worse than Friday. I thought that was very interesting. I know obviously the markets closed early and obviously closer to closing time it started to die down, but it was actually pretty decent. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Go. Huh. Okay, no. There may have been a little order block there. Or there's one right now that it's bounced into. Let's have a quick look, see what's happening. And 2 minutes. And yeah. I know it's been in that one. Never mind, ignore me. 3 minutes. Potentially this. 5. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh my gosh, if I'm quick, I can get it. If I'm quick, no, I'm not quick enough. I'm not quick enough. I'm not quick enough. No. Oh, hello, Bean. Oh, no, you're not helping. Oh my gosh, you're not helping. I appreciate you, but stop. Flip. Let's hope it comes back up. 6. I'm coming. I'll give you attention now. Oh, you came in. Oh, no. Okay, let's see. Maybe it will do one last little pop-up. There we go. There's the last little pop-up. Now melt. Sorry, I have to be quick as heck with that one. This one, oh gosh. Come on, it was such a nice one. Please, can we not mess around with this? Oh, it hasn't tagged it on ES. I think it's going to soon. That's what I'm hoping for. Tag it on ES and now melt. Please tag it on ES and melt. Tag it on ES and melt. 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 Melt, you bastard. Okay, got it on ES, I think. Yes. Okay, took it on ES. Now, keep going. Oh, I can't breathe. No, you're fine. Don't mind me, I'm just having a random conversation with myself. Nothing to see here. Come on, where's the push? Where's that nice momentum? There, it's gone. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, further down. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Gonna move this to midway. No. Yeah, modify. Mitigate risk by half, at least. Come on, have a proper bounce. Oh, wait. Yeah, it needs a little bit more of a bounce. There we go. There's London low and Asia low down there. I'm hoping that it reaches for those. Reach for those. Reach for those. Reach for those. No. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Nope, it's gonna take me out. There we go. Damn it. Okay. Half. Still counts as a loss. Oh my gosh, if it goes up, tags me into that one, and it's also a loss, I'm gonna have a mini meltdown. Because then I missed 2 that would have been wins. So theoretically that was only half, but if you start melting now. Yes. But I'm going off of order blocks, but you're making me question everything now. There was a bit of a bounce. Yeah, I know. And at least I mitigated the risk by half. It makes me feel a little bit better. Not great, but a little bit better. I'm hoping it takes the liquidity, taps in, and then goes down. I'm trying. Seriously? If this starts going all the way, oh, it really is like starting to consolidate again. This no momentum thing is very annoying. If I had not moved my trade to halfway, I would still be in this. Like I said, I prefer the momentum quick. Not whatever this is. That's what, so if we have a look at ES, right? Check it all this. I didn't even mark this, but anyways. There's all this going on. It did take there, which was that little break there. Oh. There's no order blocks on ES. It might not respect it then. Poop. Well, I might be too late. Might be a bit of a gamble. Oh, flip, I can't. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Wi-Fi regrouped. See, now I'm second guessing it, but I know my luck. Oh god, there it is. There's my luck. Oh, when it gets to halfway. Come on, bounce. Bounce. If it looks like it's not gonna bounce, I'm gonna close. Close. Wait. Close. Okay. I'm counting it as break even. I know that was a bit cheeky. If it melts now, I'm gonna feel so stupid. But the fact that I had a little bounce tells me it did tap in and respected it a little bit. Not enough though. Watch it melt now. I will feel so dumb. I will feel so stupid. Plus, I'm counting this as a break even. Yeah, it was a break even. I'm not gonna count that as a win. Okay, what? Yeah, cool. Phew, okay, bounced, got a little bit, and win. Break even. Okay, point is, that's taken, that's taken, that's taken. Yeah, exactly. It would have been a loss. Yep, there's a lose. Break even for this because I'm just here, but... there we go. Oh, it took the high on ES. I was about to say, what? What's it doing? And if put 2 trades into it, I have. I missed that one and that one. I was like, I've done more. No, I have not done more apparently. I'm lying. I'm actually quite large today. Huh. Anyways. So, okay, definitely would have been a loss. Thank heavens. Ugh. Okay. Little tap into the liquidity here. And now we're melting. I see the 54 is just around midway. I wanted to mark something and I forgot what it was. There it is. I'll find the brain cells today. They're somewhere. Like I said, it's just a proper Monday. Okay, seeming as everyone's bugging me. No, I'm joking. You guys are not bugging me at all. Oh, that would have been annoying if it just tagged out and started melting. Oh, wood. What the heck? Wow. Just wow. Like the audacity. Pop that over there. There we go. Awesome sauce. This is a nice one. Let's see how it looks on others. Maybe not a nice one. A very nice one on the 1 minute. Do we trust the 1 minute though? Yeah, questionable. Check this. What? Sorry, so I'm moving house. So to cancel everything, there's a second account holder. Like, Yeah, it's fine. Moving is not for the faint-hearted. I'm just putting it out there. Bunch of rubbish. Was not a fair value gap. A tiny fair value gap. Oh, poop. Maybe I should be seeing if here's an order block. No, not really. Ugh. Not really. Okay. The closest would... Oh my gosh. What the heck? There we go. Like, it's not a great one. Theoretically, that's an order block, but it's really not great. Yeah, let's see. If it respects this one. Tapped into it on ES. Is that why it's bouncing up? It might be why it's bouncing up. Okay, but it didn't tap into it on micros. So, it's fine. Went up a little bit, not a lot though. Oh, wait. Do we think we're gonna go back up? Or do you think we're gonna keep going for the liquidity that's down there? Long or short? Okay, let's see if we get 3. It's pushing down on ES. I'm gonna go for short. Let's see if we even get 3 candles though, or else it doesn't even count, but purely for setup purposes, let's do this. See how quick this one must be. Like in and out, let's go. And then I move it, blink. Here. Let's see if we get the 3rd candle. Oh, this is actually quite a nice one. If... Okay, to be fair, if it taps in there... would miss it. I would miss the buy-in. Okay, well I still have 30 seconds. Let me not get overexcited yet. I need my 3 candles before I can put anything in. Sorry, can you see the ultra focus today? 2, 3, 15 seconds. Okay, we're not bad. We're not bad. Let's see. 11 it is. I might be wrong. It now looks like it's wanting to push up on ES. So maybe this is the wrong call. I'm just doing this purely for the... What? No! That was not what I wanted. I'm just gonna close that. Seriously? Okay, let's create limit order. 11. Okay. Oh, that's why. Because I made it a limit, not a sell. I mean a stop. Sorry, TradingView. I'm so sorry. My bad. Okay. So would have... No. Now would have tapped in to this order block. Barely. See if it goes more. definitely tapped into the order block now. Okay. Took some liquidity. Come on, I wanted to aim for the London lows. There's so much liquidity down there on ES. Come on, 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 come on. Don't you dare tag me out and then go for the liquidity. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take all the lows. Take the lows, take the lows, take the lows, take the lows, take the lows. Ooh, someone does not want people to be taking the lows. Come on. No. Come on. Come on, take the liquidity. There's so much. Joking. You must be joking. It's gonna go down now, isn't it? So apparently today is not my day. Seriously? It's fine. We all have days. I don't like it when this happens, but anyways. To be fair, this was the first proper loss. If it melts now. Like, at least I know the logic was sound, right? That's I'm gonna just keep telling myself that. Here we go. Unbelievable. Cool, this makes me mad. Let's go look at the 2-minute to test this. Strategy here. They're in melt. Would have gone short. Wait, let me make one here. That one would have been a win. That one would have been a loss unless I made it. Sorry, reverse it, other way around. Unless this one also would have been a loss. Wasn't in by the third candle, didn't hit. Wasn't in by third candle, didn't hit. Sorry, I'm contemplating a lot right now. It's fine. Well, not fine. I hate it when it does this. I need the momentum. And this is not momentum at all. I'm gonna stay on because I've only been in for an hour. Yeah, an hour. I'm gonna wait until there's some proper momentum. Like, I mean, the candle sizes are pretty decent today. But momentum-wise, are you joking? If I was just a little bit later... No, I mean, it's still kind of like it's bounced. Okay, you know what? While we wait, I'm gonna go grab a blanket, so I will be right back. Oops, I'm like breaking things. It's... I hate it when the flipping thing is like this. I cannot stand it. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Andrew. Hi. Good morning. Oh, good afternoon from cold South Africa. Very cold South Africa. Please do not look at the chaos that is today. That's not a great day, but that's fine. I know that we sometimes have good days and bad days. There's just not enough momentum going on for me today, which is why I'm now just sitting here and I'm going to wait and see if we get some momentum back. And if we can start doing things properly. I'm like forcing myself to sit and wait and see what works best. But yes, good morning to you. I'm assuming, are you from US? Where are you from? In South Africa, currently it is 4:42 p.m. So I've already finished with work, and here I am. Now I'm trading and watching whatever you want to call this, because this is not great. So this does not work with my strategies. I need momentum for my strategies, and there appears to be none of it today. And I made the wrong call with those two. Well, yeah. Again, just not the momentum I wanted. Are you gonna find some momentum now? No? Probably not. So we're just gonna wait here and see if momentum finds us. Yeah, I am from South Africa. Can you not tell? I have never been told that I have a South African accent, so I get it. To be fair, some South Africans think that I have an accent. Yeah, exactly. So I'm just gonna let's wait and see if direction comes and finds us. If not, I might just call it. I mean, it's still early, right? The market's only been open for an hour, except it is not doing much. Oh my gosh, Wi-Fi! Stop it. There we go. What a nice little order block there. Oh, that I tapped into and that's why it went up. Okay, never mind. But yes, I am from South Africa. Like I said, I've had South Africans tell me that I have an accent, Which one though? I don't know. Good question. Now that's gone. Cool. Okay. Is there some movement going on now? Oh, look at that. There is... No, never mind. I spoke too soon. Oh, okay. Does this not work for you today? Or have you gotten your trades in for today? But that's fine. I will... Will I see you tomorrow? I am back here every day this week. Hopefully tomorrow's better. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy. Bye. Yeah. Today's not great. For my strategy anyways. I'm sure there's some people whose strategies work like a bomb with these. Mine does not. I missed that trade. That sucked. And then I thought, haha, we're gonna come back up and start melting again. And again, oh gosh, you know. Who knows? Just one of those days. Just one of those days, and that's fine, right? We're all allowed to have days, some days. It is why I'm still learning. Oh my gosh. Why is the market so bad today? Is everyone still like hungover or something? I don't know. This is ridiculous. I also heard some banging going on just now, so hopefully I'm not being broken into. I'm sure it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. Wow. I'm sorry if I'm going to be a little bit rude. I'm going to quickly message my coach to find out the hell's going on. He has, Sienna. Is that it? Sienna? The trading, maboopy, bloppy, bleep bloop bloop blop. The trading platform, Sienna, where you can see a little bit more accurately what's going on. I'm asking him what's happening. Like, is there just no one? No, but then technically we would have more momentum. Is there just too many people trading it? But that also doesn't sound right. It's just not a great day. I'm kind of shocked at how today looks. Like, there was some decent momentum in the beginning. I missed 2 trades, which was very annoying. It's fine. Luckily I didn't put that one in, but anyways. Missed 2 trades. The ones I did not miss, we had kind of lost the moment. Well, it did bounce, just not as nicely as I'd hoped it would. Put it that way. That's why that one was a break even. That one was technically half a loss. Still counting it as a loss though. And that one was just a straight up loss. That one sucked, but it started the consolidation. I need momentum. And this is not at all. So that's fun. Anyways, hi, welcome. Welcome to TNT. I'm Maya. I'm just sitting and waiting now because all of my strategies are for momentum, and this is not it. Oh, maybe we're gonna start getting some. You know, I say hopefully. Oh my good, nope, apparently not. It is also when I say freezing, it's not that cold. I'm just a big baby. I know I keep bringing it up, but I'm such a big baby. Apparently down in the coast it's not so bad, so I'm super excited for that. So I'm moving down to the coast. Oh my gosh, do we have momentum? Is it finally going to take those lows, which I thought it would take earlier, and it did not. Okay, anyways. What I was saying. What I was saying is I'm gonna move down to the coast very soon. I'm freaking out a little bit, but it's fine, right? It's fine. And then it's going to be warm. I'm excited for warmth. Okay, I needed to properly break out of this consolidation thing that it's started doing here before I do anything. Okay, took some liquidity on ES. Let's see if we're gonna keep the push. Oh, there we go. Why did it not do that earlier? That's what I needed earlier for this trade. This was the exact same thing. What the heck? It's fine. It's fine. Is it fine? No. Am I grumpy about it? Yes. But is it fine? Sure. Well, I guess, you know, it is what it is. Oh my gosh, finally. We have something. No, let me not speak too soon. Let me not get too excited. Need some proper momentum to go on for me to actually get excited with whatever the heck is going on today. My gosh. There we go. Took the London low on ES. Nice. The Asia low is still a little bit lower down. So gonna reach for it. Oh, there we go. No, never mind. Wow. Maybe we're not out of it yet. Apparently not. Like, I needed to break out properly for me to be able to actually start trading again, and it's not. Oh. Hello. Finally. Someone gave up their position. Holy moly. That took... Jeez Louise. What the heck was that? That was also quite a massive candle that happened there. Did I hit an auto block this side? All the way back here. Not really. Okay. Anyways, gotten distracted. Let's see. Do we still have some momentum, or are we done now? Ah, a little bit. Oh, but I might then be too late because it seems to be moving pretty rapidly. I don't like how that looks either, to me. Fair. Okay, never mind. The 3 is not great. The 2 is the better one. There to there. One. Again, not the best. Let's look on ES. 2. Much of a muchness, hey? I guess I would call that. What would it look like on the 5 on ES? Oh, there it is. Okay, 5 on ES, cool. It should theoretically respect that quite well. Should, and theoretically being the keywords with that. Because damn, it has not been listening to me today. Yeah. Let's see if it climbs all the way up to get there. It does. Stop it. Or it might just completely run away, and that's that. Right? Oh, okay. Looks like it's go. Damn. Okay. Well, I wanted momentum. We got momentum. Whoop whoop. We're going. Oh, exciting. It's better than nothing. Okay. At least there's movement. Because my great giddy aunt. That was terrible. They don't even reply, no. For the life of me, I can't remember. Sorry, can you see my brain is just completely distracted by this one thing. For the life of me, I can't remember who the second person. I mean, it has to be. Oh gosh, guys, just never move. Just never move. Just. No, I'm joking. Moving is good. Moving's a brand new adventure. But my goodness. That's all I'm gonna say. Just my goodness. It's. Oh, sorry. It's so hectic, do you see? Let's see, we're going on a trip. If it goes back up, I'll feel dumb that I didn't put this in. But let me just do that. I don't think it will go back up, but just in case. Oh, it is big though, but come on, you just have to tap in and then melt now that we have some momentum going. Okay, well, we're in. Now the melt. Come on, bounce out of it. Bounce out of it, bounce out of it, bounce out of it, bounce out of it, bounce out of it. I can feel my heart racing. Come on. I think I need to close. Wait. Let's move it to midway. Modify. No, go back down now. Go back down now. Please go back down now. Come on. Bounce out properly, 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 bounce out properly. So close. Come on. Oh, this might just be it. Oh no. It's climbing properly. Come on, go back down. To a point. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. I mitigated it by half, but okay, you know what? Today just was not my day. I'm calling it. That sucked. That was a bad day. 3. Technically 2 losses. Technically, if we're gonna get technical about it, right? Technically 2 losses because this one I stopped halfway and this one I mitigated by half by moving it halfway. If it melts now, I'm going to be grumpy. Oh, it's consolidating on ES even. Okay, so that would have been a loss. So, well, like a full on. Not saying it wasn't a loss, because it was. Oh, just not my day. You know what? It is what it is. I thought we'd tap in and go down to the London High. Part of me wants to see if it respects this. Another part of me actually doesn't even want to know. So I'm going to call it that. Today was just not a great day. It just wasn't a great day. I have nothing nice to say about today, so it's fine. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Hopefully my luck has turned around. That was just shocking. It's fine. I guess we all have days. I will then watch it melt now. It's fine, whatever. I'll see you guys then tomorrow. Okay, and I think it's the most frustrating thing. I've had the right thought. I've just been too quick with a lot of them. Like this one would have been a win if I'd made it over there. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm leaving it. I'm going to call it for today. I love you guys. I'll see you back here tomorrow, okay?